Hi children, this is Renuka from Math Department. I hope all are fine and safe and be good at home. Today we are going to learn chapter 2 addition up to 20. Before that, let me revise the last chapter. In last chapter, we learned number and number names 1 to 50. Before, between and after number. Place value. Can you say how many tens and ones are there? Yes, there are 3 tens, 7 ones and the number is 37. Smaller and bigger number. Increasing and decreasing order. And 10 skip counting. Let me learn chapter 2 addition up to 20. Here is my friend Linda. She is Linda's mother, Linda's father, Linda's grandfather, Linda's grandmother. Can you say how many members are there in Linda's family? For that, we have to join them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In Linda's family, there are 5 members. What we did now? We join them together and we find out the total members in the family. And this process is we call as addition. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition is plus and we name it as plus, add, sum, altogether, total. The symbol of addition is plus. We can write addition sums in 2 ways. Horizontal addition. Horizontal means which is in sleeping line format. See here, 2 plus 1 is 3. Vertical addition which is in standing line format. 2 plus 1 is 3. In both ways, the answer remains the same. In both ways, the answer remains the same. Here some examples. I kept a 2 bowl. In first bowl, we have 1 mango. In second bowl, we have 2 mango. In first bowl we have 1, in second bowl we have 2 mangoes. 1, in second bowl we have 2 mangoes. If you want to join them together, what we have to do? We have to do the addition. 1, 2, 3. If we join the 2 balls, we will get 3. So, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Here some cookies. For left hand side we have 3 and right hand side we have 2. If we join them together, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. In left hand side we have 2 color pen. In right hand side we have 1. If we join them together, and we will get 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Some more examples. In left hand side we have 2 chocolates. In right hand side 1. If we join them, we will get 1, 2, 3. In left hand side 3 trees are there. In right hand side we have 3. If we join them together, we have 6. Can you count how many crows? In left hand side? Yes, 4. In right hand side? 2. We join them together and we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you say how many ice creams are here? 5. In left hand side, in right hand side, 3. If we join them together, and we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you are clear. Today's follow-up, complete page number 30 in content book. And some worksheets are there. You have to complete it. Keep practicing at home. Thank you.